Alright everyone, hope you all are doing amazing, and today's video is also going to be amazing because today we are going to play PUBG Mobile with the AirPods, Apple AirPods, and after that we'll play the same game with our amazing quality headphone that I have just reviewed on my channel, and it is just an intense, like amazing quality headphone that I've been using for last 1 week or something like that. I just forgot how much of a time it has been, but the AirPods, it's been since very beginning of my channel and it's an amazing product. AirPods, I know that with Apple products it goes very amazing, but these over-ear headphones are not quite far away. Other than the connectivity thing that Apple provides, like turn on and the connectivity will start. At first we'll go with the AirPods and after that we'll go with that headphone. Okay, alright, so I have connected the AirPods and now it's time to put them on my ear. Okay, we're ready to go. Now let's go inside of the game. As you already know that I have already made one video about this thing, then I don't have much to talk about this AirPods. Anyway, the thing is I'm talking about sound, so there is nothing I can show you specially, so I don't know how am I going to judge them, but you have to trust me about the audio quality. I hope that everything goes fine, amazing. I just hope that. Anyway, the sound is on. Okay, and we're inside. Anyway, let's go for our first match, and I can feel the sound. It is interesting. Okay, I have muted all of them. Let's go for our first match. Anyway, I think our match is already started and it is way too much of a sound. Anyway, let me drop the sound a little. Enemies are at my right side. My teammate is going with my right side. Okay. Oh, that was bad. That was bad. Everyone is camping, bro. Nice. Anyway, the AirPod is just doing an excellent job. I can hear the audio from it properly well. Let me make you hear one sec. Okay, right now I'm going to put my AirPods at the right and left side of the microphone. Okay, let's start. Okay. Okay.
Team match, let's go.
I hope you can hear it properly.
Blue team has scored for the first time.
I think you can hear it properly. So that was about the AirPods. The AirPods are amazing. The audio quality, you can hear the enemy 100% well. By the way, it's an amazing product. I have nothing to say about this thing. Anyway, right now it's time for this exciting headphone. This is just next level than that one because it cups your ear. You cannot hear the outside world. Whatever happens to your right, left, near you, you cannot hear anything. You can only hear the game. So it can be a little frustrating. Maybe your parents are calling you but you just don't know they are calling you, so it could be bummer, and you can just make it long and small like that. So my head is a little big, so I'm gonna make it a little bigger. Anyway, okay, let's go for this one. So this is the bummer. We have to connect the headphone through the Bluetooth. That's a bummer that I just don't like, but with the AirPods we can just pop the AirPods open and we can just connect it. That is so easy. Anyway, let me put my headphones on. Ah, that was also camping. Nice camping. Okay, don't kill me. Shit, I got killed. Like, these enemies are... So this is next level. Like, I'm talking, I think I'm talking very loud because I can't even hear myself. I don't know if I'm talking or not. Like, I just don't want to talk. I'm silent right now. I have to talk very silently. Like, this headphone makes my ear like they're crazy. I've never tried this kind of experience. It's a little awkward to me. I can't hear myself. Bro, my ping. That's bad. My ping. I think, yep, that is my ping. It's it's like 812. There you can see it's 812. Holy moly. Enemies coming from the right side. Yeah, I was right. This headphone is just awesome. I can hear the enemy's footsteps. By the way, this headphone is just a little next step. Like, it feels I can't hear anything outside of my world. Like, I put the headphone and everything just silent. Anyway, right now let me make you hear the audio from the left and the right side. You will get a little bit of understanding about the sound quality of this headphone, because I think this headphone will cover my microphone up very easily, because this is very large, and I think it will cup my microphone quite easily, and you can hear the audio much better than the AirPods. Okay, I hope that you can hear that audio. Okay, let me go.
No mercy.
And this is the left side, and this is both sides. I have to go forward.
Killing spree for the red team.
I hope you can hear the audio quite well, because the headphones audio quality is just top notch. It's sounding like amazing. I have to give one plus point to the headphone instead of this earpod. So which one do I prefer? I prefer the headphone over the earphone, because it cups my ear quite well, and it's not sponsored, by the way, guys. I bought the headphone with my own money, and after a lot of research, and it is cool. It's a cool headphone. I have to give it like little bit more points than the AirPods. Anyway, that is all for this one. Hope you guys got some idea about the AirPods. Okay, I dropped it again. Shit, man, I dropped it again. That is a bad point. Anyway, which one should you buy? I think this $60 headphone is better than this one, just because of the audio quality, as it cups the ear quite well, and that is the reason I think the audio quality feels a little bit better on this headphone instead of that AirPods. Anyway, that's your personal preference. The connectivity on the AirPods is better than this headphone, because it is Apple, man. Apple has its own value.